Alright guys, there are multiple ways to get laurels. One of them is if you kill an enemy with melee ability, it will spawn a laurel. So this technique we are going to use. For hunters, you can use bottom tree Arcstrider or top tree Arcstrider, whatever you want. Use Gambler dodge so that if you dodge near an enemy, you will get your melee back every time. If you use top tree Arcstrider, you will get your dodge back if you kill an enemy with your melee ability, so you can chain them forever. One other subclass you can use is Stasis. Use Gambler dodge on the Stasis also. But I personally would prefer the top tree Arcstrider. For Titans, we have this exotic, which I am not going to take name because I can't pronounce it. Okay, so the main fact is if you kill an enemy with your melee ability, you get it back. So I'm not a Titan man, so I can't suggest which tree you actually should use, but I think it's bottom or top one should be probably. And one other tree you can use is middle tree Sunbreaker, so that if you kill an enemy with your hammer and if you pick up the hammer, you will get your melee back instantly. So that way you can kill enemies and get the laurels instantly. For warlocks, you can use the Claws of Ahamkara, which I'm going to show in a few minutes. But one thing I want to mention that I'm doing this in last twist activity, the last twist raid in the Shurochi encounter. But you can do it anywhere you want, where you can get the most amount of ads. There you can do it. I'm doing it in the Shurochi so that the solo players can also farm this. And also you are running it, if you are running it with your teammates, I think it has better chances to give you laurels that way. For warlocks, I am using Claws of Ahamkara to get 2 melee charges, and with 100 melee ability, I am using Top T Drone. For this one, we are using Monte Carlo, since killing an enemy and damaging an enemy will give you more chance to get your melee back. And also you can use not only the Monte Carlo, there is another one, the Traveler's Chosen Sidearm. For this you have to kill an enemy, then you have to hold R or your reload button, you have to hold it, and then how many enemies you have killed, on depending on that you will get your melee or grenade energy back. I'm going to show you how to get to Shurochi encounter. If you know already, then just get to there, use your melee ability, use Monte Carlo to kill some ads, and then you will get your melee ability back, then use your melee ability again to kill some ads. And also remember, whenever using your melee ability, try to group the enemies together so that in that way you will get more kills with your melee abilities. Once you are here, you have to put on the Shurochi encounter codes in the wall. Also, whenever you are putting the codes in the wall, don't try to use any explosive or ricochet rounds, because it will mess up your codes immediately. Once the code is complete, it will look like this. You can pause the video and see it. Once it's done, stand on the plate in front of you. This will teleport you to the Shurochi encounter. Once you are at Shurochi encounter, kill the ads with your melee ability, gather them up, then use your melee ability. And if you are out of your melee charges, you can use Monte Carlo or Traveler's Chosen to get your melee abilities back. Once you kill all the small ads in this area, you can respawn outside by killing yourself and farm this encounter as many times as you want. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have found the video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel for future contents. Thank you.